Hey guys, so I'm not here today, obviously. My dog had to have emergency surgery because she has a splenic tumor and she's really old, and so I just felt like I needed to be there. I know those of you that have pets probably understand that they really become part of your family, and I just wanted to make sure I was there just to be there in case something happened. So I kind of wanted to explain what you're going to be doing today. So if you've ever done a jigsaw activity before, think about like a jigsaw puzzle. So you have to fit all the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle together in order to make the jigsaw puzzle whole. So we're going to be learning about the different biogeochemical cycles. So the water cycle, nitrogen cycle, phosphorus cycle, carbon cycle, and then I'm including soil as part of this, even though it's not a specific cycle, because it's a medium of which all of these different cycles interact and allow for the ecosystem to grow productively. So you're going to be split into kind of like two groups. And within those two groups, then you're going to be teaching each other and then collaborating as a whole class to figure out how all of these different cycles really interact with one another. So if you're in groups 1 through 5, you're going to be in the first group, and then if you're in group 6 through 10, you'll be in the second group. Okay, um, and so groups 1 and 6 are going to be the water cycle. Groups 2 and 7 are going to be the carbon cycle. Groups 3 and 8 are going to be the nitrogen cycle. Groups 4 and 9 are going to be the phosphorus cycle. And then groups 5 and 10 are going to be soil. And so I will kind of explain in the actual directions what you're going to be doing, but you're going to be using sticky chart paper to kind of draw out your cycle, define those terms that are a part of the cycle, why it's important to the ecosystem, how things travel amongst your system, and then you're going to briefly present that to your group, and then you are all going to kind of brainstorm together and put ideas on sticky notes as far as how you think all these different cycles interact with each other and how they connect and how all of these work together to create the biosphere that we know as Earth. Okay, so I hope that you all have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.